fire, and we just happened to see these guys up here and looking in this cave, and so what do we say? Let's go look in the cave, and here we are.
Getting into the sandstone canyon part now.
Done going to the visitor center.
Yep.
And we found out there that actually the Valley of Fire was the first state park in Nevada. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah. We've been bouncing around. There's a lot of more hiking than what we've done today, but we've been just kind of seeing what the Valley of Fire has to offer and getting acclimated with it.